Hello, this is Mamta. Welcome to Helswan. Today I will be sharing a very simple recipe that is very tasty, crunchy and easy to do, that is coconut cookies. This cookies doesn't need any butter, milk or maida. The main ingredient in this cookie is the emmer wheat flour. Emmer wheat is also known as kapli wheat. In Kannada, it is called as Jave Godi. Emmer wheat is rich in protein and fiber and can lower cholesterol levels. It has high amounts of niacin of vitamin B3, which is great for the heart. Also rich in iron and magnesium. Emmer wheat is a great source of lipids and has a high nutritive value, and it can be consumed by people with gluten intolerance. The second main ingredient is the virgin coconut oil. The regular coconut oil is made from dried coconut kernels called copra, while the virgin coconut oil is extracted from the fresh milk of the coconut using cold process, which maintains all the natural constituents, aroma and antioxidants of the oil. First, I will prepare a baking tray by spreading a couple of baking papers. Coconut oil contains medium chain triglycerides, that is MCTs, that is they are shorter fatty acid chains. Also, coconut oil has lauric acid. When our body digests lauric acid, it forms a substance called monolaurin. Both lauric acid and monolaurin can kill harmful pathogens such as bacteria, viruses and fungi. When we eat MCTs, they go straight into liver and our body uses them as a quick source of energy and turns them into ketones. Ketones help in effective functioning of the brain. Actually, in Alzheimer's disease, when the brain cells lose their ability to use glucose for energy, these ketones come to the rescue by acting as energy source for those brain cells. Here I have taken 1 bowl of emmer wheat flour. This quantity gives around 20 cookies. Next, we need half cup of sugar and 2 cardamoms or ilachi. Powder them in a mixie jar and add in. Add in quarter teaspoon of cooking soda. Mix all the dry ingredients once. Now add 1 bowl of grated fresh coconut. Now add in half bowl of virgin coconut oil. Mix all the ingredients well. As you mix, the dough comes together and we can easily make small balls out of it. Now the dough is ready. Take a big lemon-sized portion of the dough and flatten it into a cookie. Now take a big lemon sized dough and flatten into cookies and lay it on the baking tray. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 165 to 170 degrees C. I am baking here at 165 degrees C for 25 to 30 minutes. You know your gadgets well, and so bake accordingly. If you observe, I have taken all the measurements in the same bowl. It is for 1 measure of wheat flour, 1 measure of fresh grated coconut, half measure of sugar, and half or less than half measure of virgin coconut oil. Add oil little by little depending on the moisture in the grated coconut. Now the cookies are ready. They can be stored in an airtight container easily for around 15 days. I buy my oils and cold pressed oils from Santrupti Oils that are sold by Sanatana Foods. They are plastic free right from their manufacturing units till door delivery, as they store and distribute the oils only in steel cans. The oils are naturally extracted, cold pressed oils with no chemicals and additives. You can also download the Santrupti app from Google Play Store and order your oils. I will share the number in the description box below. If you like the video, like and share it. Subscribe to see me again. Have early dinners for that vibrant health. Having early dinners solves many health issues. Stay safe, take care, see you and bye.